Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use Trello Planner. So let's start. As you can see here, I have my Trello board, and well, as you can see, I have this to doing, project planning, something like that. Well, if you wanna get the Trello Planner, well, in the left side you will find here some options, and also, well, if you want it free, you can get it in the unlimited option. So you can explore the plans, but well, I can show you how you can click here on the calendar and you can start using it. If you want to add an activity or something like that, you can use the calendar, and also you can go to the table. So here is how you can start doing or using the planner. Of course, if you have more ideas about how to do it, you can start doing uh, the planner, something like that. But well, in this case, you need to get the great plan to get everything, all the plans or all the options that are available in Trello. So for example, if you have here, you can go to calendar and you can go to the new one rule and just add the rule here, and now you can check the rule if you prefer, and you can see here. And now if you go to calendar, well, this is not a part appear here, but you can check here the part, okay, the plan. So well guys, this option you can check everything on Trello. It's a good way to do it. However, as I told you, you need the Trello premium to check everything and to have all the option available and to get the planner here. So if you don't have it, well, I recommend to do it. And well guys, well, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.